So, I got this yesterday. It's an Agfa Silette Rapid 1. Rapid, of course, means that it uses the rapid type cartridge. Undo the knob in the tripod socket. No, you can't. Okay. So, very little on top of the hot shoe. This obviously takes a cable release because the shutter release button is there. Winding handle is underneath. And very simple controls. Focus here, it's a zone focus thing. Very basic. See that little arrow here? Going to the different symbols. There are some feet distances as well. And here we have the shutter speeds, very limited. B 30th, 60th and 125th. So aperture settings are here. 2.8. So 22. So very simple plain viewfinder. Open the back here. The back opens and you can see it's got the two cartridges in. And film in it as well. The film, just pull one of these out. The film it's got this sort of funny cross pattern on it. You can see in the light. Agfa CT 18, 18 of course. EXP means it's exposed. So this is obviously the take up. See when you wind. Trying to do anything one-handed is crazy, isn't it? Okay, when you wind you can see the little cogs are going in the direction of the arrow, so it's obviously you load an empty cassette, a full cassette here, and an empty one on this side, and so it moves the film across. And this was sitting on this side, so using logic we would assume that this has been exposed, because once it reaches the end of the sprockets it's not going to advance it anymore, so that will always leave an exposed roll, will always leave the tongue sticking out. Besides that it says EXP on this side anyway. I haven't actually used a rapid cartridge yet. I've got a couple of empty ones, and even some unexposed old expired film, but I haven't examined them that much. I don't know if there's a different hatching or series of punctured symbols on the other end. I'll see that soon. This doesn't have any kind of metering, so the Agfa system with this tab here of setting the ASA is unimportant. Although we know 18 refers to the old DIN setting rather than ASA. And the other empty cassette, obviously when it came from. So, little sticker here. Agfa Isopan, Agfa Colour. Isopan was obviously their black and white. Agfa Colour. And there's probably Agfa Chrome as well. Rapid. So, there we go. All very simple. I actually tested the shutter speeds, and some of the fast one works okay, but the slow ones are a bit sticky. But I got another example of this very same camera, but an absolutely mint one. So we'll give it a try soon anyway. I don't know about loading film into these cassettes. Ordinary 35mm film, if you cut off the tongue and shape it to be like this, obviously you would load it in the dark. I mean, a 36 exposure roll, you should get almost 3 fillings from it, because these only normally carry 12 exposures. But then I've got also a Fujica Rapid, which has got the clockwork wind. It's similar to the Fujica Drive, and being half frame, they would get more than the 12 exposures, obviously 24 from a normal roll. I'll have to have a go at loading ordinary film, cutting off the tongue and trying it in obviously in a light bag. So we'll see how that goes.